Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Ask Miles? Baking with Miles. As if that's a thing. It is now. Don't ask about the hat, I'm just having a really bad hair day. I'll tell you what really annoys me about brownies, is as someone that grew up in the States, I know what a proper American style fudgy brownie is supposed to be like, right? It's supposed to be gooey, dense, and the best ones in my opinion are flourless. But over here in the UK, whenever you go to like cafes or restaurants, quite often they sell brownies, but it's just like a dry, square piece of chocolate cake. Just because it's brown and square, don't make it a brownie, okay? Let's not get it twisted, okay? A brownie needs to be fudgy and gooey and stuff. Yeah, a real brownie is fudgy and gooey and pass. And yeah, as someone that's already mastered the ultimate gooey, fudgy brownie, I thought, you know what, today, let's take it to new levels. We're gonna make vanilla cashew butter blondies. This recipe is going to blow your mind. I don't know how I think of these things, they just sort of pop up in my mind like that, and they always work. I know what you're thinking, oh my god, Miles is baking again, is it even safe for him to be in the kitchen alone? Probably not, but the fire brigade are on standby, so anyways, this is what you'll need. Alright, so this recipe is very basic, just like me. Alright, as this is vanilla cashew butter blondies, obviously the first thing you need is some good cashew butter. And I'm very excited because I've got this vanilla cashew butter. Alright, so as you can see, this recipe has few ingredients, has no flour, it's flourless, because again, I'm all about the gunge and the goo, if you know what I'm saying. Obviously, as this is vanilla cashew butter blondies, you're gonna need to get yourself some good cashew butter, and here, I'm very excited because I have got the vanilla cashew butter, which, oh, the smell of that vanilla. I probably should have churned this first. Okay, this is one of those ones that's gonna be a full body workout to churn. I'll see you in 3 hours. Alright, at least I'm getting a good bicep workout. I was gonna taste test this one in one of my what I ate in a day videos, but I thought, do you know what? My protein coming through with vanilla cashew butter, that deserves a whole video to itself. It's the best cashew butter ever. The vanilla flavor is really strong. If you guys wanna get some of this creamy vanilla cashew butter, I will leave the link down below where you can buy it with a lot of discount. Okay, so we're gonna be using a cup of this vanilla cashew butter, then also a little bit of vanilla just to enhance the vanilla-ness. Here I've got half a teaspoon of baking powder, which, I mean, I'm confused. I mean, I am generally confused in life, but what is the difference between baking powder, baking soda, and bicarbonate of soda? Can someone let me know in the comments, please, because I have no idea. So my sweetener of choice today is half a cup of coconut sugar. You could also use xylitol, xylitol. In this little bowl, I have got some dark chocolate. It's about 3/4 of a cup. And to be honest, I had a lot of fun smashing this up earlier. I will insert some footage now. See, that's how you make chocolate chips, my friends. You just buy a big bar of dark chocolate and then you smash. Also here, I've got a flax egg. You could also use a chia egg. I've never made a chia egg before, so I just went with a flax egg. And here I have got some, okay, I've got some powdered peanut butter, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this in. This is optional. The reason I'm showing you this is because everyone knows about peanut butter powder, but this is the one with stevia. So for any of you guys that love peanut butter flavor, but you don't like the added sugar, you can order this one. I will leave the link down below. All right, let's get mixing. Look at that. Ooh. First thing we need, yeah, full cup of vanilla cashew butter or regular cashew butter, both work. And, okay, this is a bit thick. All right, I'm gonna go melt this in the microwave. I'll be back. Okay, that did not help at all. In fact, I think it made it thicker. Look at that. I could put this on my head. I could wear this on my head as a hat. Okay, don't microwave the cashew butter. If anything, it just makes it thicker. But, I don't know, I guess at least I get to lick another bowl clean. All right, and everything else just gets chucked in. So you've got coconut sugar, which has come out in just like a big circle. A little bit of vanilla. Ooh, okay, a lot of it. Baking powder, And the chocolate chips. Although mine are more like chocolate chunks. And last but not least, the flax egg. And I know what you're thinking at this point. Miles, that is not gonna work. Trust me, it works, guys. Ooh, look at that. Very tempted to just eat this as it is. TBH. I put a little bit of water underneath. It just helps it stick. Anyways, we're just gonna pile it on and hope for the best. I think this pan is too big. Anyways, I'm just gonna pat it down. I guess it doesn't have to cover the whole thing. I've just tried to make it into a nice big square. I think this is 8 by 6. I really should have made double the mixture. But there's no turning back now. All right, these are gonna go into the oven for 20 minutes until they are, to be honest, I have no idea what these are gonna come out like, but let's hope for the best. Okay, I got changed because I got cold, but I'm still rocking the same stupid hat. I'm not sure what I've just made, to be quite honest. Okay, I had a little accident because these were supposed to be in the oven for 20 minutes and I was on the phone to someone for 30 minutes. I burnt them. As you can see, these look nothing like Blondies, but I mean, I did put chocolate chips in there. Let's just call them Blondies with a tan, shall we? Let's give them a little try. The most important thing is the taste. They do look nice and squidge. Look at that squidge in the middle. Taste test. Mmm. Really good. That's a proper brownie. It's like really glued my mouth together, basically. I'm not gonna lie, they actually do taste amazing. I'm very impressed with the taste. The taste alone, I mean, but obviously just bake them for 20 instead of 35. Yeah, so based on flavor alone, I would definitely recommend these. When you make them and they come out the oven, even though I burnt them, but if you cook them for the amount of like the right time, which I'll put in the description box, they do come out like very soft, but after like an hour or so, they get nice and hard and squidge. And the best part is that the whole kitchen smells of vanilla. It's like, I've got vanilla scent for like the rest of the day. Cheers. Yeah, so I feel like today's episode of Baking with Miles was another epic success. I know they look like crap, but trust me, they taste amazing. As always, I'm sending you lots of love. Let me know what you want me to bake next. I feel like I need something to challenge me. I'm just so ahead of the game, if you know what I'm saying. As always, I'm sending you lots of love and burnt vanilla cashew butter Blondies, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Laters. I mean, these are so squidge. Look, watch me make one into an energy ball. I mean, it kind of worked.
Satisfy my appetite with something spectacular. Check your vernacular, and then I get back to ya with diamond-like precision, insatiable.